I got so excited putting stuff away because I haven't hauled in so long that I thought I'd show you guys what I got. I got this guy here, which is, just a drawer full now because I put it up. It's got all my lipsticks in it. So this down here is all of my lip pencils, like crayons. And this drawer here is liquid lip. And then this is also liquid lip. And then this drawer is lip glosses. And up here I have the minis of like liquid lipsticks that I have. I have a little bit of room, but I've had this for a while and I just put this on top and put my bullet lipsticks in there. I do have a few more bullet lipsticks, so I might have to get another one of these shelves for bullet lipsticks, but I don't have much more than this. And honestly, this is the perfect setup for lipsticks because I don't use lipstick very much. And then over here in this guy is all my lip pencils, and you guys have seen that before, but we'll open it up if I can do it one-handed. All of my lip pencils are in this guy. So all of my lip product is right here. And you know what that did is opened up a whole new drawer for makeup things. So what I think I'm going to do is put in this drawer here, I'm going to put all my highlighters. In this drawer here is going to be makeup, like face palettes, or maybe duos and trios or something. I don't know. I really like the setup I've got in this drawer, but it is a really packed drawer. So I'm going to figure out some way to organize those three drawers better. This is all of my, blush, bronzer, and highlight. But this is all highlights. And that is blush, bronzer over there. So I might keep bronzer here and blush here, and then do duos and trios here, and then highlight there because I have so many highlights, it's not even funny. But I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. Okay, folks, this is what we've got right now. This is all highlighters. This is mostly palettes. When they're not palettes, they're like duo, trio type things. This isn't necessarily a duo or a trio, but is not necessarily a highlighter or a blush either. It's kind of a little bit of both. This is a blush highlight duo. This is a blush highlight duo. I think I might just get rid of this. I never wear it. And then this isn't exactly a blush highlight duo trio either. I don't know what I wear it more as. All the rest are like face palette type things. And I was thinking about putting all my face palettes into one drawer. But then I've only got like 3 bronzers in here, so I'm not necessarily 100% happy with it. I'm gonna stop the camera, I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more, and then I will come back on when I am done. So this is days later, and I have rearranged these like 8 times, and I'm not sure I'm happy with it. I don't know that I hate it though. I don't know. It may see many different ends, but I wanted to make sure that I ended this video and got you guys an ending. This is what I've got right now. So I may switch these guys. These are my highlighters with those ones on the end over there. But I think that in the order that they're in is how I kind of put them on my face. So this is the furthest away from where I do my makeup. And this is highlighters, which are one of my problem areas. So in this drawer I have all my like single highlighters. These are, like I said, all the single highlighters. Yeah, so this is all like Ofra, and I'm not going to go through all of them with you, but my Fenty, some loose ones, all of my like sticks and stuff are along here. Those are all of the single highlighters. In this drawer, I have all of my like palettes that are multi-purpose, as well as like my highlight palettes. So this is all highlight palette right here. And then this is all multi-purpose paletting, duos, trios, or items like this, which is the Too Faced Snow Bunny. But this is what it looks like. It's just got multi-colors in there for blush, bronzer, and highlight like accent to your face. I've got a Pixie Duo in here, and then I've also got this Laura Geller one that's kind of the same as the Too Faced one, only, you know, built differently. And then my Galactic Duos, and I've got a Tarte Duo in here and a Too Faced Duo, but this is all like multi-purpose duos, trios, palettes. And then those are all blush and highlight palettes. I don't think this one might have a bronzer in it, but it's a really light bronzer. And then I think this one might have a bronzer in it too, but blush palettes mostly. And then this last drawer is blushes in smaller palettes, duos, trios, small quads. And then I've got single blushes. This is single blushes. Then this is single, what is this? Bronzers. This is single bronzers. Then we have like a bronze blush duo in there too, because I really couldn't figure out another place to put it. And then this back here is all of like my, except for my Marc Jacobs guy who doesn't fit in here. This is all of my like sculpting palettes. So like contours or contour and highlighter, bronzer, something along those lines. This is a homemade one. I did depot quite a few of my guys, and I lost one in the process. One of my blushes broke all over the place, but those 2 square guys were in the Benefit little tiny squares, and then these 2 are Ofra. I depotted some things and put them in there. I did lose a couple blushes, trying to depot the blushes. I'm not the best depotter. That hole down there is because this is where I do my makeup here, and I'm not going to go all the way up because that's a mirror and I don't want to blind you. But this piece here is a window. It's a pocket window, so it starts up there and it comes down and there's a window behind it. Well, I drop my makeup behind there all the time. So my husband cut a hole so that I could get my makeup, but we need to find a cover. This was recent. Okay, so this is the blush palette, and it's got the pieces that I popped out of the Benefit, and I'm, again, not the best at Potter. I lost some of that. This is all from my Balm Causemetics Girl Powder thing. And then these two are Ofra, and this is a Sydney Grace, actually. So I depotted a few items just so I could find better spacing in my drawers. But yeah, you guys, so that's how it ended up. And I'm not certain, like I said, that I'm happy with it. But I also, that drawer doesn't like to go in. But I'm also not certain that I'm unhappy with it. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you are staying safe. I love all of you for being here today. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It does help our channels out there. If you liked it or me enough, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you as a part of my little YouTube family here. And please hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, guys, bye.